Greetings YouTubers. This video shows how I made a Transforming Generation 1 Megatron from paper. This project was made completely freehand with no measuring or templates used. I also don't draw out anything. The next section shows the transformation. Here we go. Everything moves, even the fingers. Please watch the entire process to see how I made it. I time-lapsed it for you. Also, please comment, like, and subscribe because it helps my channel out greatly. Enjoy! I usually start out making the fingers, and that is what you are seeing now. There are 30 moving parts in both hands. LED lights in the head to make the eyes light up. Hold on, let me change the music. If you are still watching, good luck will follow you for all time. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video, and as your prize you get a free subscription to my channel. Just click the subscribe button to claim your prize. Also, please like and comment to help me in the YouTube algorithm. I can make anything, by the way. Check these videos out to see the other things I have made. Thank you for your time, and remember, with art it's not the destination, it's the journey.